abandoned ship into the longboat.
Hey everyone, my name is Nino Joseph Diaz, and now I'm going to report the fire and safety plan. So there's three bodies that you need to understand in order for you to locate the fire and safety plan. First, we have the upper right side, the accommodation deck, this one. And then the second is the center, wherein you can find the side view, the main deck, and the section. And the last side is the left corner, wherein all these IMO symbols that which are approved and which is on the vessel itself, it should be in this side. I inform you that this fire and safety plan was made is because of three things. First, to know the location of all the decks or the formation of the vessel itself. The second is to locate the important things wherein you as a seafarer or a man on board, you can identify wherein you are in your location at this point, in the point. The last is the proper or the orderly evacuation in terms of emergency. And now, that's the end of my topic. Thank you so much for listening.